How to make this kind of text effect in Photoshop. Let's start. So at first we need to go to select option and select the subject. Then we have to go to layer option and create a new layer by via copy. Then we need to select text tool and add whatever text you need according to any font style you like. Then select the text layer and convert it to shape, and then just copy that layer and drag it to layer 1. Then select rectangle tool, and after selecting the first layer, then go to the fill and stroke option and do this. Then select the both text layer and drag the text according to your comfortable position and resize it. And there you have it, simple text effect in Photoshop.